To use the Atome Virtual Card, first, download and install the Atome app on your smartphone if you haven't already. Open the app and sign in or create an account if you're a new user. Once logged in, navigate to the Card section, where you'll find the option to activate your Atome Virtual Card. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the activation process, which may include verifying your identity and linking a valid payment method. Once activated, your virtual card details, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV, will be displayed. You can use these details to make online purchases at merchants that accept Atome as a payment method. If you're shopping in store, check if the merchant supports Atome payments, and use the card through your phone's digital wallet, such as Apple Pay or Google Pay, by adding it as a payment option. When making a purchase, ensure you select the Atome Virtual Card at checkout and confirm the payment. Your transaction will be split into interest-free installments, as per Atome's payment plan. Always check your Atome app to track spending, manage upcoming payments, and ensure sufficient funds in your linked payment method to avoid late fees.